Your mind is one of your greatest treasures, yet in today's world, it's easy to neglect it. Protecting your mental health starts with the small, intentional choices you make every day. First, set boundaries. Learn to say no when your energy is low or when something doesn't align with your values. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is. Second, feed your mind with positivity. What you watch, listen to, and read shapes your thoughts. Choose content and people that uplift, rather than drain you. Third, stay connected. Isolation weakens the heart and mind. Reach out to friends, family, or someone you trust. A simple conversation can lighten the heaviest burden. Fourth, take care of your body. Rest, eat well, and move daily. A healthy body creates space for a healthy mind. And most importantly, practice stillness. Whether through prayer, meditation, or silence, give your mind a chance to breathe. Protecting your mental health doesn't mean life will be perfect. But it means you'll have the strength to face challenges, the clarity to make wise decisions, and the peace to enjoy the present moment.